Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export to JSON in Notion. So this is very simple. Open up the page that you want to export, then simply click on these three dots and click on export. Right now choose PDF and click export. This will export your file into PDF, and right now I will show you how to get your PDF into JSON. So name your PDF. I will name it PDF to JSON and press save. Now go to .strange.nanonets.com and sign in with your Google account. Then simply click on select file and select your file that you have just exported from Notion. Select flat JSON and click on extract content. This will process your PDF file and convert it into flat JSON file that you can download from this web page simply in a bit. Right now, as you can see, this is your PDF and this is your preview of your JSON file. You can click on raw to see the JSON file and simply download it right here or copy it to your clipboard right here. So I will download it to show you. So final JSON file, press enter, go back to downloads. And as you can see, this is your JSON file. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.